Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to screen record on Mac. So let's start without wasting our time guys. So you can also click on here Launchpad, and once you click on go to other, and you will see here quick time player. Just click on that option. Additionally, you can press command plus space button and type here quick time player and it will open. Now once it opens, here is you need to press control on your keyboard and click on options, and once you see this option guys, you need to click on open here, and once this option comes up, you need to again go to this option, and then you can see the option new recording, screen recording. Open that option simply, and you will see here this is capturing the screen, capture selected windows, and you can see here these two options are for record the selected portion and record the entire screen. So I generally prefer this screen entire. Just click on that option, and once it is selected, you can see it's highlighted. If it is selected, you can select the as per your choice. You can drag it according to like this, but I'm selecting entire. Then click on here record, and once you see record, you can see here its button, its recording is showing up here. Let me show you here. Now if you want to close this, just click on here this button, and now you can see it's closed. And you can see the options here. Additionally, you can also go to here, and if you want to change its location, you can change its location as well. So again, open the same app, control, options, new screen record again. Now you can see the options here. So by default it will be saved in a here desktop, so there is no setting to change its location here. By default it will be saved in a desktop. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.